What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to attach your cart floor to your rock cart off-road. Now we can also attach items to the cart like the rock floor here, which will keep items more stable when we're using the cart to travel around. So the cart floor comes in two different pieces. So we have the longer piece that can attach to the cart when it's contracted like this, and it also comes with a smaller panel that we can attach along with the longer panel when the cart is fully expanded. So to attach the panel to the cart when it's contracted, you're gonna line up these grooves here to the inside of the payload, just like this. You'll also notice the grooves have these latches here, and this is what's gonna keep the cart floor secure to the cart. So while the cart floor is on, we're going to twist these latches in like this so that the cart floor latches on to the payload of the cart. It may also help to engage the brakes for the cart so that it doesn't move around while attaching the cart floor. So like I mentioned before, you can use both of these panels for the cart floor while the cart is fully expanded. So to expand the cart, you're gonna loosen up these knobs on the bottom of the cart. Then you're gonna pull on each side of the cart until it's fully expanded, and you'll know it's fully expanded when you hear this clicking sound here. Then we're gonna follow the same exact steps as before. So we're gonna take our first panel and put it on the payload like this. Then we can take the second panel and place it right next to the first one, just like that. Again, if the floors aren't going all the way down, make sure that the latches are inwards like this. Then once you have both panels placed on the payload, you're gonna take the latches of each groove and place them in like this. And again, this will keep the panels secure to the payload. From here, you can place your items right on top, and again, you'll find that it's much sturdier because of the cart floors. To remove these panels, we're just gonna follow these steps in reverse. So we're gonna bring in the latches of each groove on the bottom of each panel. Then we can lift up on each panel like this and just take it off the cart. Then we can lift up on each panel like this and just take it off the cart. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your cart floor to your rock cart off-road. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.